Why is it in tone mode?
What small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where portions of southeast Ohio and West Virginia, including the following counties in southeast Ohio, Washington, in West Virginia, Calhoun, Doddridge, Gilmer, Harrison, Jackson, Lewis, Pleasant, Ritchie, Tyler, Wood, and Wood. When? Until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details at 3:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar and area gauges indicated between 1 and 1.25 inches of rain had fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Freezing rain will gradually become a dominant precipitation type late this afternoon and evening. However, continued runoff will contribute to rising creeks and streams through the evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clarksburg, Marietta, Harrisville, Elizabeth, Bridgeport, Williamstown, Shipton, Sutter Ford, Salem, Pennsboro, West Union, and more, and Middle Wells. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Easily terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-95